everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the JetBase series, a mix of Jetpack Compose and Firebase. In the previous video, we learned how to update an image in Firebase Cloud Storage. And now, in this video, we will learn how to delete the image from Firebase Cloud Storage. So open the My Pinterest app project. We will write a simple logic to delete the image from the database in ImageViewModel. We already have fetch image and upload image logic, hence create a new function, delete image. The delete image function is responsible for removing an image from Firebase storage and updating the local UI state accordingly. It takes an image data object as a parameter, which contains information about the image to be deleted, such as the image name and its URL. Inside the function, we launch a coroutine using viewModelScope.launch to perform the delete asynchronously. This ensures the operation runs in the background without blocking the main UI thread. Within the coroutine, we use a try-catch block to safely handle any exception that may occur during the deletion process. Inside the try block, we call Firebase storage.child image.imageName delete.await to locate the image in the Firebase storage using its unique image name and delete it. The .await function is used to suspend the coroutine until the deletion completes, making it a smooth experience. After successfully deleting the image from Firebase, we update the local image data list state by filtering out the deleted image. Ensures that the UI reflects the updated list of images without the one that was just removed. Finally, if anything goes wrong during the process, the catch block catches the exception and prints the stack trace for debugging purposes. And then go to DisplayImageScreen. This is where we'll create a small delete icon button on the image. Look, this is our box, which is clickable, and it consists of an image and an icon button. The onClick parameter is the main action that will trigger when the user taps the delete button. In this case, we will call ImageViewModel.deleteImage item, which initiates the deletion of the specific image item by calling the delete image function which we created. This removes the image from Firebase storage and updates the UI. The modifier is equal to modifier.alignment.topEnd. Aligns the delete icon button to the top right corner of the box or image. Inside the icon button, we add the delete icon using icons.default.delete and provide a content description as delete. Some people cannot recognize the icon, hence we add content description so when the user hovers on the icon, it displays the content description that is delete. Got it? And that's it. Our delete CRUD functionality is also done, and so is our app. Now let's run the app and check. We have two images in the UI as well as in the database. I want to delete this image, hence I'll click on the delete icon button, and there you go. The image is successfully deleted from the UI. Refresh the database, and it's removed from the database as well. Great! Let's revise everything. First, to add the image, we use a launcher and an indent to open the photo gallery. Select an image, refresh the database, and look, the image is successfully stored in the Firebase Cloud Storage. Refresh the UI using the refresh button, and a new image is displayed successfully using the fetch image function. Then to update the image, I'll click on the image and replace it with another image. The new image is updated in the UI, so refresh the database to see the updated list of the images. Now I want to delete this image, hence click on the delete icon button and the image is removed from the UI using the delete image function. Refresh the database. Great! I'll quickly add more images and look so cool. Let me know in the comments if you guys need a tutorial for Firestore. Okay? So yeah, that's it for the video. If you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.